And it's been a busy day for Lexington police. They say they've worked more than 100 crashes today, most of them non-injury.
Lexington streets and roads crews have been busy as well. After clearing the major roads, they turned their attention to side streets and neighborhoods, but some of those streets are still snow covered tonight. This is a look at conditions on Winchester Road right now from our live drive camera. Everything looks pretty clear right there. Monique Blair rode along with a salt truck driver tonight to get an inside look at what they face on the roads. She's live for us in Lexington to explain. Monique?
Well, Sam and Amber, snowplow trucks have a big job this time of year, making sure our roads are safe. So today I got a close-up look at some of the obstacles these drivers face. Once the snow falls, it's inevitable. You will see the snowplow trucks out in full force.
We're probably doing 12 hours every day this week. Here's what I started out.
35, 515, so you've done 109 miles today.
Yeah.
Streets and Roads equipment operator Cindy Bishop says not only does this job require patience on her end, but also from drivers. These trucks sometimes have to move at a slower pace than the speed limit in order to apply the salt or plow the roads.
Don't be frustrated at me. I'm just trying to make the road safer for you.
The priority 1 and 2 streets were cleared by mid-afternoon Wednesday. Then it was time to move to streets ranked 3 and 4. Typically, these are side streets and residential streets.
It's 38. Go ahead, Rob.
Cindy, we've been getting some calls about some slick spots on Sharkey Way. Could you go check it out, please?
But moving the plow through some of the side streets posed a problem.
See, here's a narrow one with cars on both sides. But
After her 12-hour shift, Bishop called it a night, but she knows it'll be a quick turnaround until she's back at it again.
really, I take pride in my work. And when those roads are cleared, I love it. I just love it. But when I can't get them clear because that snow just keeps coming, it just breaks my heart.
Now, county officials say there are some things you can do to help out during a snow event. They ask that you clear any fire hydrant that is near your home. They also ask that if you don't park on any of the ranked streets, and also, if you can, clear the sidewalk in front of your house. I'm reporting live in Lexington. Monique Blair, WKYT.
Monique, thank you. Only ranked roads will be plowed in a typical snow event. Additional roads may be added if we receive more than 5 inches of snow. You can find a map of all of the ranked roads in Fayette County by going to WKYT.com.